my name is B. Welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you will not miss a thing. So today I have the task of first going to go get my hair done. Then I have the flooring people coming over. I think we're supposed to be going to go look at floors, but I don't know if he understood that because he's coming over to my house. So I don't know if he's picking me up or what we're doing. So I don't know, I guess we'll see. Today I really do have a lot going on, so I'm going to try and take you out with me for a similar day in the life. I don't know if it's gonna be similar, if it's gonna be cut short. I guess we'll see. But first, coffee. This isn't my full keto recipe that you saw. I usually put MCT oil and butter, but not with my iced coffee because it ends up having a weird consistency. But the MCT oil doesn't do anything to my coffee if I blend it. So if I blend it, it's fine. So the person I'm getting a retie with today isn't actually my regular loctician. She's maybe 10 minutes closer to my house, but I mean, it's really nothing. She's 33 minutes away from my house versus, what, 45 minutes or something. So, I mean, my loctician was kind of worried because she's like, you know, this new person's closer, so it might be easier for you. And I'm like, no, honey, I need my regular. I'm the type of person that, like, once I start going to you, that's it. I'm going to you and nobody else. So she has nothing to worry about because I love how she does my hair. The other lady's good too, and the reason why I actually started going to her is because of the whole illness that's happening. A lot of places closed up shop early, like before they had to. But she waited until they sent out the actual ordinance telling her she has to close her business. So that's first on the agenda. This guy almost rammed into me. That's first on the agenda, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending.
So I just got my hair done. I just got it retied, and so far so good. I think she has a hard time, this one, finding my middle part because my middle part is over here and she had it like somewhere over there, but it's okay because it falls right back into place, so we're all good. So I have somebody about to come over for our flooring for our home, and I'll talk more about that on our Live Love Lucius channel. So if you don't already know, I have a channel that's more home-based, vlog-based, family-based. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below. So what you saw earlier, I was having coffee. That was my breakfast. It's about, I'm not sure what time is it. It's 2 o'clock now. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my first meal of the day. I'm not intermittent fasting. Magnum is doing IF. He's doing 16:8, I think that's the one he's doing. And his window's later in the evening. His window starts because he works some pretty weird hours nowadays. I'm about to warm up some food. He got me some Wingstop yesterday, so I think I'm gonna just eat my wings. And he did give me some corn. He got himself some corn too. I think I might eat his corn. We'll have to see. I have a little bit of food left. I'm gonna go ahead and tear that thing up. And I need to go shopping because, baby, this ain't it. I'm about to warm up my food, have my lunch, then go back through the flooring samples. And we have like endless amounts of paint samples for these walls because right now our walls are all white. It's white everywhere. White, 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 white. And I think I want something that's a little bit off-white so that our molding could pop. Because white on white molding does look really classic. It looks beautiful. But I think I might want to add some warmth to the space. So I don't know if I'm gonna do tone on tone. I think I'm gonna do like a little bit different color. This color is called Crushed Ice. Crushed ice looks white until you put it up against white and you see that it has like a grayish look to it. So it looks white by itself, and then in different lighting you have different color situations. It has to match my furniture and all this jazz. Like picking paint colors is like a whole job on its own. So it's getting so bad that I might have to call the pros on this one because I have no clue. We're also doing some work in the kitchen, but like I said, I'll explain that on the other channel. Let me stop blabbering and eat my freaking lunch, because if I don't eat my lunch now, I'm probably not gonna eat it until like 5 o'clock. And then I might as well say IF for the day. He bought me a 10-piece. I didn't eat it really last night. I had 2 pieces of it, so I have an 8-piece left to tear up.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
Okay, so I just finished my wings before I had some guests over. We just had Q and Jamin over. I had to pick some paint colors and I really needed help. When I tell you I've had paint colors just chilling in this house for like all eternity, like look at all these freaking colors, plus all these freaking colors, and these books over here, and books of paint colors. And I've really just been struggling to pick a color or pick some colors. And you'll have to watch Louis of Love Lucia's channel to see what we ended up going with for me to purchase as samples. But y'all, I think we found a color. Glory. Glory, 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 glory. I'm gonna go get the swatches tomorrow since I think they're closed now. It's at Sherwin-Williams and one of them's at Benjamin Moore. So, and today we also got our flooring samples, but once again, Live Love Lucious to see that. So if you're interested in like home items and home oriented videos, I'll link it below once again. Lunch was wings. I had wings and like 4 pieces of baby corn. And then now, just to curb some hunger, I'm having some kombucha tea. And this is by Yogi. Yogi's the brand. And yeah, this is done steeping. I don't leave my tea bags to steep for all eternity. Depending on the type of tea with this one, I only steep for like 3 to 5 minutes. And then the tea bag goes in the trash. Steep it too long and it's just too strong. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hello beautiful people. So today is the day after my last video and I realized I forgot to close out, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here. I'm currently on my walk and today I'm not walk jogging. I'm literally just walking the whole way, and I'm gonna see how far I could go for how long. And because this past week it's been nothing but rain, so maybe like I missed 3 days or so, not in a row, but just in general. So trying to make up a little bit for that by doing a little extra today. So I'm gonna close up the video here. If you enjoyed yourself, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you will not miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.